Good morning! If you've been following along, you would know that I'm a solo female walking from Madrid to Santiago. I'm over halfway there, and today's video brings me to Leon. This is my first encounter with rain, which wasn't all that bad. I had a delightful time in the city. I toured their amazing cathedral as well as a museum. If you're interested in hearing about what supplies I sent back home, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this stage of my walk on the Camino Madrid. It is Thursday morning and I am on my way to Arcahueta, which is about a little over 10 miles. I could stop off in a town that's 7.5 miles away, so I haven't completely made up my mind about that yet. But there is a nice little hotel in Arcahueta that I'd like to check out, so I'll try to push on. I did get a late start today, so I don't know, depending on what the sun's doing. It's comfortable enough. It's about 70 degrees right now. I'm still wearing my puffy, and it's a relatively flat terrain, so it should be an easy walk. I looked on the website, and yesterday there were 1,283 pilgrims that checked into Santiago. Met some really nice people from Florida. This morning we shared breakfast together. The day after tomorrow I will be in Leon. I'm super excited about that. I'll be spending 2 nights in Leon, so that's definitely something to look forward to. So yeah, more farmlands today. Not a lot of scenery change, but still, I'll listen to my book Hawaii and make some progress there. Good morning. It is Friday morning and I am on my way into Leon. It's a really short walk today, 4.5 miles, and it's raining. So hopefully the rainstorm will pass and I'll get some sunshine. But either way, I will arrive into Lyon earlier than my hotel opens up, which isn't too much of a problem because there's plenty to see. I'd like to get some money changed, and I'm considering mailing a couple things back home. Yeah, there are things to do. I just can't wait to get off the side of this road though, because it's kind of a busy roadway and it's noisy. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. Not very pretty here right now. It's actually kind of, ugly. Let me show you.
Un kilómetro es el Parador y 8 kilómetros la Virgen del Camino. Para continuar con el camino francés.
Okay. All right. Muchas gracias.
De nada. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from?
Hawaii. I'm from Hawaii, Estados Unidos.
Estados Unidos. USA.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Gracias. Well, I'm just now entering the city of Lyon, and I have to cross this little footbridge. There is another bridge there for cars, and for some reason back there at that little kiosk, they were stopping people and asking them to have their credentials stamped. So I got my credentials stamped. They asked me where I was from, and yeah, I don't know if they're keeping records or something like that, but it looks somewhat official. Just finished my lunch with beer and pizza, and I heard a huge thunder in the sky. So I'm wondering, what is my walk home going to be like? that's all for today. I checked into a really nice hotel and I got to walk around the city a bit, saw the cathedral and a museum. I was also able to mail a package back home. I am shipping back my sleeping quilt as well as the liner, a jacket, and a few other things. Moving forward, I don't think I'll be needing the quilt because I'll be staying in places that have bedding. Yeah, the sit pad that I brought with me, I won't be needing that anymore. So it'll be good to lighten the load just a little bit. Not that it was a problem, but I don't need to be carrying unnecessary things with me. So that's it from Lyon. I'll be spending one more day here just to kind of chill and walk around and maybe do some laundry. And then it's off again. All right, thanks for following along. Take care. Bye.